Hi everyone, welcome to Center Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I am going to be trying out the Arteza's Ready to Pour paints. They have some kits. These were 4 packs I got. This is blush tones. Then I've got orchid tones. I've got aqua tones and solar tones. I am so excited to try these. I love Arteza paint, so I hope I love their pour paints just as much as I do their regular paints. Spoiling myself a little bit by getting those paints. I have got ready to go white paint. It's just house paint, ready to put on your walls on this canvas. No water, no silicone, nothing's added to it. And I'm going to use strictly the Arteza pour paints on this one and see how it turns out. I have got a titanium white over here for my cell activator because I'd like to get some cells in this. And I've also got my black, which is Saks Black Acrylic. And it is with, both of these are mixed with Floetrol. This one has 2 drops of silicone because I don't have the black Amsterdam that the white is. So it's supposed to be so much better for activating cells. So the black does have 2 drops of silicone in it. Let's see what happens. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much. Thank you for all your wonderful comments. All the thumbs up really does make my day. It means the world to me. Okay, let's do this now. I'm going to first start out with Vermilion Red. Ready to go premium pour paints. It's going to go right in the center-ish with this one. It's going to be my start color for whatever we create on here. This should be pretty good. Now I'm going to put some orange down, I think. This is neon orange. I might regret it, but let's go with some neon orange. I'm going to put it on this side and on this side. Then we've got, looks like Cerise Pink. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. Then we got Carnation Pink. I'm going to put that right in the center here. Quite a bit lighter. Then we've also got Forest Green. Now this one I'm thinking I'm going to do a couple of spots. Then we've got Lemon Yellow. This is going to be a colorful painting, you guys. I've already done the vermilion, so let's do phthalo green. I'll add that in a few spots. I love phthalo green. Beautiful color. Put a little bit in the yellow too. Wipe off my cap because I'm making a mess here. Then we've got sea green. Okay, now my gold. Arteza's gold. I'm going to put some in the orange and over by the green there. Okay. Now I'm going to put some cell activator in there. I'm going to do white and black. I'm going to do black first. I'm going to go right in the middle with this. Fairly generous. And then we're going to do some white. So I'm going to do a little bit on the sides here as well. I think I'm going to put some black a little lower. Now I'm going to take my hairdryer to this and blow it a little bit and make a little bit of noise. Got some nice cells coming up. I'm going to grab my airbrush. Just blow a few areas of this before I give it a spin. Okay, I'm not going to blow any more of it. Not yet anyhow. Now I'm just going to take the end of my paintbrush and just do a couple of lines through here. Okay, did I wreck it enough? I think so. Okay, let's give it a spin and see what happens. Okay, sorry if you guys get dizzy. Fast forward this part. There we go. Wow. That is one colorful painting. Let's see. I think I want to take just a little bit of this. Get something happening in the center there. Okay, let's see what that does. Give it another spin here. Do I go the other way? I think so. Was that enough? Oh yeah, I see some paint moving. Now this is a good time to hit that notification bell, because I know you've already hit the subscribe button for me. Doesn't cost anything to subscribe, and the notification bell only lets you know when I upload new art pieces for you to come and take a look. Wow. The cells in here are amazing. I think I'm going to try and tilt a little bit to this corner. See if I get any movement. If not, I'll spin it again. That pink is just heading down that way, and I don't really want to lose what I got. So I'm going to give it another spin, and I'm just going to be a little more firm. Watch me make this jump right off the table. Hold on. These colors are definitely very vibrant. I think I'm going to be thrilled that I bought these. Okay. This one corner just needs a little bit more. I'm going to have some patience. I'm going to try and get a little bit more paint moving. Stretch the cells a tiny bit, that's cool. Okay, one more spin. I'm going to go this way. Oops. There we go. Which corner did I just hit? Nope, I'm fine. That's good. The paint's down off the corner like I wanted. Look at all those cells. Let me give it a quick little torch. I just filled this guy up. Hopefully it doesn't throw flames at me here. Wow, okay. Now what I want to do is just play around with my cells a little bit. I like to draw lines through some of them just to give it a little bit of a pattern. There are so many, they're just gorgeous. You know what? I don't even know if I want to wreck anything on here. It really looks cool. Okay, I'm going to lift it. This is one of those colorful abstracts that makes you look at it and just keep looking at it because there's so many awesome colors in there. So different from my flowers I usually do. But I'll give you a little bit of a close-up. Look at all the colors and cells in there. It's just stunning. I can't wait to take a picture of this when it's dry. Or even do show and tell with you, which I didn't do any show and tell. I got a couple of really nice paintings drying right now. Maybe I'll take my gloves off and show you one before you go here. Hold on one second. Okay, this one is drying, but this is in an upcoming video coming up. So keep your eyes out for it. It turned out beautiful. I just love it. Alrighty. I think that is definitely a successful masterpiece with these Arteza ready to pour paints. And the cells from the cell activator, awesome. I couldn't ask for anything more. Alright everybody, thanks very much for watching. Come back and watch another video, and I'm sure Greg will be putting up one of his favorites right now. Stick around and watch it. Thanks again everyone.